The EOS model is made up of 6 key components, and I'm going to run through those components at a high level at first, and then I'll circle back and talk about the tools and disciplines that I use that will help us get control and answer all those frustrations within our business. So the first key component is the vision component. The next key component is the people component. Oh boy, there's the people thing again. The third key component is the data component. So the fourth key component is the issues component. The fifth key component is the process component. And the last key component is traction. Traction is all about execution.